Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Flory. For today's vlog is about how to buy USDT with coins.ph to MetaMask. So, meron na ako nagawang previous vlog tungkol naman yun sa how to withdraw USDT from MetaMask with coins.ph. Then, isi-sell natin yung USDT to peso. Then, how to transfer from coins.ph to bank account. But now, magpo-focus tayo sa pag-buy ng USDT. So, kailangan may PAN ng ating coins.ph and then ang gagamitin nating crypto wallet ay USDT, Tether, and Tron. Okay, let's go!
I was there when the clouds parted. Do you remember the day we met? I walked the ocean. I remember the night you told me.
Now, pupunta tayo ng Messenger kasi may nagpapabili sa atin ng 90 USDT. So, kailangan nating i-copy ang kanyang deposit address. So, ayan, na-copy na natin. And then, pupunta tayo ng coins.ph na apps. Meron ako ditong PAN na 10,844.64 pesos. And now, pupunta tayo ng portfolio. And then, pwede rin naman nating i-search yung USDT Tether. Dahil nakita ko na, so hindi ko na kailangang i-search. So, click natin yung USDT Tether. And then, buy and sell USDT. Buy USDT. And then, ayan, buy USDT, I want to spend Philippine. And then, nakalagay dito, I want to receive Tether USDT. So, ilalagay natin dito ay 93 USDT. Papasobrahan natin kasi meron pa tayong tax and fee na babayaran mamaya. And then, purchase. Confirm. Ayun, purchase successful. Got it. And now, pupunta tayo ng portfolio pa rin. Titingnan natin yung USDT Tether. So, ngayon, ita-transfer na natin sa account ng MetaMask. So, naandyan na siya, 93.0048400 USDT. So, in peso, 5,474.45. So, yung rate ng ating USDT, hindi siya maintain yan ha. So, every seconds or every minute, tumataas, bumababa yung rate ng ating USDT. And now, ready na. Meron na tayong 93.00 USDT. And now, ita-transfer na natin sa account ng MetaMask. So, transfer USDT. And send USDT. And then, send to external wallet. So, network. Ang network natin ay Tron. And amount. So, 93. Deposit address or USDT address. Pipaste natin. So, ayan. And then, makikita natin yung receiving amount ay 90.5 USDT. So, saktong-sakto lang. Kasi meron siyang network fee na 2.5 USDT. And then, next, I understand. Okay. And, confirm. And my code. So, isi-send yun sa SMS. And then, okay. So, withdrawal pending. So, kasi mag-aantay tayo ng ilang minuto para maging approve yun. So, check USDT balance. Okay. Okay, ayan yung send USDT. Processing pa. Mag-aantay tayo ng ilang minuto para maging complete yung processing. And now, i-check natin sa coins.ph kung complete na yung forward nating 93 USDT. And now, pupunta tayo ng coins.ph and USDT Tether. and send USDT. Okay, ayan na po. Negative 93 USDT to external wallet. Ayan, successful na. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. See you next episode. Bye-bye!
I was there when the clouds parted. Do you remember the day?